Antique tools are not only functional items but also treasured collector's items. These tools have a rich history, craftsmanship, and unique designs that make them highly sought after by collectors. In this video, we will explore the world of antique tools and delve into why they hold such value beyond their practical use. Antique tools have been used by our ancestors for centuries. These tools offer a glimpse into the craftsmanship of the past and the techniques used by earlier generations. From hand-forged blacksmithing tools to intricately designed woodworking tools, the history behind each antique tool adds to its allure. Antique tools are often admired for their superior craftsmanship and design. These tools were created by skilled artisans who paid attention to detail and took pride in their work. The intricately carved handles, ornate engravings, and beautiful patinas make antique tools true works of art. Collectors appreciate the fine craftsmanship that is often lacking in today's mass-produced tools. Furthermore, the rarity and scarcity of antique tools contribute to their value. Many antique tools were only produced in limited quantities, making them highly sought after by collectors. As time goes on, these tools become even scarcer, increasing their desirability. Rare variations of antique tools, such as those with unique markings or historical significance, are particularly valuable to collectors. Antique tools have a unique aesthetic appeal that sets them apart from modern tools. The combination of old-world charm and functional design makes them visually appealing. Whether displayed on a workshop wall or showcased in a cabinet, antique tools add a touch of nostalgia and beauty to any space. The time-worn patina, rust, and signs of use only enhance the visual appeal for collectors. Collecting antique tools allows enthusiasts to connect with the past and honor the accomplishments of previous generations. Owning and using these tools can evoke a sense of nostalgia and appreciation for the handcrafted tools our ancestors relied on. Collectors often research the history of their tools, uncovering stories and memories that deepen their connection to the past. Moreover, antique tools can also be a profitable investment. As more people recognize the value and beauty of these tools, their prices continue to rise. Additionally, the scarcity of antique tools ensures that their value will likely increase over time. However, it is important to research and understand the market before investing in antique tools, as the value can fluctuate depending on factors such as condition, rarity, and demand. Collectors of antique tools are passionate about preserving the history and heritage behind these items. Many collectors take great pride in restoring rusty or damaged tools to their former glory. Through careful restoration techniques, collectors can bring old tools back to life, ensuring that their beauty and functionality are enjoyed for many more years to come. In summary, antique tools offer more than just functionality. They represent history, craftsmanship, design, and a connection to our past. The rarity, aesthetic appeal, and investment potential of these tools make them highly sought after by collectors around the world. With each antique tool, there is a story waiting to be uncovered and celebrated. So, whether you are a professional tradesperson, a history enthusiast, or a collector, antique tools are worth exploring and cherishing. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.